Hello everyone, this is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off activity status or active status on Instagram in 2025. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. Alright, so first of all, you have to open the Instagram app on your phone, and to do that, normally search on your search bar, or you can scroll down until you find Instagram. So I'm searching here Instagram. And then normally you have to click on this Instagram option. So normally I'm going to click on it, and then you will see an interface like this. Normally you have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, and to do that normally you have to choose this option. Just I'm gonna choose it, and then you will see your profile, and now you have to choose this three bar. Just normally click on it. And here you will also get another search engine. So normally you have to search here show activity status, and you will see an option show activity status. Just choose it, keep it turned up. So that's it. Here you can see that I already have turned it up. On the other hand, if you want to turn your activity status on again, then you can turn on this checkbox. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to turn off activity status on your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.